So now that the system's in and then you're working on the integration with Sage 50, what other projects are you planning for the future?
Once Sage 50 is all in place, which hopefully is in the not too distant future, I think, in the next month or so, the next thing would be integration into our e-commerce website. Again, this was all discussed in the initial phase, initial discussions with Avrion, and it was set out from the start, kind of, let's get the CRM into place first as a first phase. Second phase would be your Sage integration, and then your third phase would be your e-commerce integration. So hopefully that would be the next project. The advantages of that, again, will be massive for all of our staff. At the minute, again, we get an order that comes in. It's a manual process then to put that order into Sage. So the admin side will be massively reduced. And then we then have to put an order in to the warehouse staff to say, these need to be picked and packed. And then we need to put another order in to our freight agents to come and collect the goods to deliver them. So in theory, if all goes well, which I'm sure it will, once that integration goes in, it would mean we get an email, we've had an order, that manually, automatically gets transferred into Sage. The order gets pre-populated. The purchase order gets pre-populated, and it's literally printing and handing it over. So it will help tremendously, and it would just free up a lot of time, especially for our admin staff and our warehouse staff who are sometimes waiting for that manual process for the accounts guys to raise all the orders, to raise all the labels, print the labels. So all of that would be out the way. So I think looking at it from afar, the time saving would be massive. But then I think from a management point of view, it's the reports we'll be able to generate from the e-commerce side. So again, best-selling products of the month. How did a particular sale or a promotion that we've done that month has worked? What are the delivery charges? It will help us massively. So having that kind of automated will save us a lot of time, which would help us then to improve the business and improve current e-commerce processes. So there's always ways, there's always products that we add on, there's always promotions that we're doing. And I think another major positive would be email marketing. So that is something that we do a lot of. Also social media presence, especially for our e-commerce platform. So I think the data that it will be able to provide in terms of products, it will help our marketing team put a special promotion on for that month, or we've got quite a lot of product of this, should we put a promotion on for this? So not only the time that it will free up in order to improve those current processes, it will mean that we're able to offer more, get more products online, and just basically expand the business, which is obviously our main goal. So it's definitely the next project. Hopefully, as soon as the Sage 50 is in, that will be the next thing that we would want to get online as soon as possible.
That sounds like a really exciting project. I'm sure the guys are going to be really excited to start that one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, exactly. I think from a technical point of view, that goes completely over my head because there's a lot of coding and IT stuff that integration. So as a bit like we've done with everything with Avrion, it's we say what we want and this is what we currently do, and it's you guys come with the solutions and it's worked. So I can't see this being any different.
Just following up on, you were talking about so from a management point of view, the reporting. So being familiar with Microsoft products already, are you looking to use Power BI?
Yes, those discussions have taken place. So again, once we had those conversations with Avrion in terms of that phase 3, which is obviously the e-commerce integration, it was pointed out to us that Power BI would be a great tool for us. So that is in the next stages for us to do. So we're already looking at it internally, and it's definitely, as he said, it's already within the Microsoft family. So we do already use some of the tools available to us, but I think just having all of that automation in place once that final phase has been completed, it will definitely open up a whole new door for us in terms of what information is available to us and how we can then improve going forward.